We're back, Super Spellers. Ready to go inside Santa's workshop? Let's go. Wow! This is amazing!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Is that? Can it be? It is! It's Santa!
Ho, ho, ho! Hi, Spellerella.
Hi, Santa. I've been a really good girl this year and I've taught kids how to read and spell, and I know all my letters, and my YouTube channel is slowly growing, and I just...
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down. You're on my nice list. I have a new package of pencils for you.
Pencils?
Right now, I need your help. My elves have been working hard and they're getting tired. Do you think you can lend them a hand?
Me? Help get the toys ready? I'd love to! Let's go help those elves. Hi, guys!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Hi! Hello? Merry Christmas! Okay, here's the list of toys we need to wrap.
Harry wants blocks, Emily wants a dinosaur, Madison wants a gem, and Thomas wants a book.
Let's get to work. Getting a little sleepy after all that hard work. I think I'll take a nap.
Time for me to get to work.
Hi, Santa.
Spellerella, I saw your wrapping job. And I must say, you did a terrible job.
What?
The gifts are all mixed up. I thought you knew how to read.
Me? Not know how to read? Of course I know how to read. Reading and spelling are my two favorite things in the whole world.
Well, I guess I'll get the elves to fix it.
How could this have happened, Super Spellers?
Merry Christmas.
No. Please, no. Is it?
I'm back!
Alphabandit. Or should I say, Alphabandit. You mixed up the name tags, didn't you?
Of course.
I have to fix those name tags. But first, I have to take care of this guy. Let's put a spell on him. I love wrapping presents. It's never a bore. Now it's time to wrap one more. Well, I can see that you're all wrapped up with something. I'm gonna go fix those name tags. Merry Christmas, Alfie! Okay, all fixed for Santa. I think I'm gonna go relax with a nice cup of hot chocolate. Ah, what an exciting Christmas. Could that be? Let's go check it out. It's Santa Claus! Who could that be at this hour?
Ho, ho, ho! Spellerella, would you like to go on a little sleigh ride?
Go on Santa's sleigh?
Whoa!
In the sky? Yes, please. Whoa! This is amazing! What a magical I hope you guys have a magical holiday too, Super Spellers. You keep on spelling, and I'll see you next year. Bye!